and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with an Empties video, and I cannot remember when was the last time I did an Empties video. It's probably been over a year, maybe 2 years. Yeah, it's probably been that long, but I've been saving my empties for you guys. So the first one I have right here, this is Miss Meyer's Clean Day. This is the lavender scent hand soap refill. So it contains olive oil and aloe vera, and I never thought that I would actually use this. So this was actually recommended from my cousin, so of course, you know, I was like, you know what, let me give this a try. And I have to say, I absolutely love it. Like, I always used to use like Bath and Body hand soap, and sometimes I still do use it, but ever since I gave this a try, I have been in love. Especially because if you're always constantly like washing your hands with soap, and it's really important to always apply on hand cream afterwards, but sometimes, you know, we tend to forget. And when I use Bath and Body like hand soap, it definitely like really dries out my hands quite a bit. But with this one, it definitely does not do that. And yes, I understand, I know that it is expensive, but usually what I do is I always purchase this at Target, and because I have the Target Red Card, so I do get extra 5% off. And also sometimes they do promotions where like if you spend like $40, they give you like a $10 gift card, or sometimes they'll do like special offers like an extra 10% off your whole entire purchase. So that's usually when I will purchase this. So I highly recommend this for those of you guys who have like sensitive hands, or who is constantly always like washing your hands. This is definitely really good. So obviously I know that they have so many other scents, which I definitely will try out every single one of them. All right, next we have, this is from Sephora. This is the Sephora collection. This is their blue facial roller. So for those guys who have watched me probably see me talk about this, or talk about it like briefly in my videos. So with this face roller, it does come with this pouch, this bag, which I definitely really like the royal blue color. Like it's so pretty. So with this face roller, I actually got this, I want to say like 2 years ago, and I have been using it. So sometimes I like to like roll my face, and what I noticed is that especially this year, like the quality of this has changed from like 2 years ago. Since, you know, remember that I got this like 2 years ago, so I feel like it's definitely time to like throw this out and get a new one. And I feel like especially for this one, it hasn't really done much to my skin. I think my expectations are a little bit high for this product. I feel like this one is just all right. Like if you're interested in getting a face roll, I would definitely suggest the one that has like rose quartz in it. That one is definitely top notch. Okay, next we have, this is from First Aid Beauty, also known as Fab. So you guys probably know I've been using this brand for so long now, and I absolutely love this face cleanser. Like I've been using it for as long as I can remember. Like it's such a good face cleanser, especially for sensitive skin. You actually use it in the morning and at night time. Okay, and next I have, this is from Glow Recipe. This is your watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops, and I did not know that I actually needed and wanted it, especially if you want like that glass skin, that shiny glow on your skin. This will definitely help you. So I actually got this as a sample / select size when I purchased something from Sephora. Next we have, this is from Set and Fail. This is the moisturizing lotion, so it's for dry to normal and sensitive skin. So I previously have talked about this before, and I feel like this is just an okay lotion. Like for the price of it, I'm like, it's just a regular basic lotion to me, compared to the other one that I really like, which is the CeraVe, which is my absolute favorite. Like if you have not tried CeraVe, like I highly recommend it. You can definitely find it at Target, or if you shop at Sam's Club or Costco, like especially when it's on sale. Highly recommend giving that a try. This one I just felt like it's just all right, you know. Okay, next we have this is from Trader Joe's. So I'm pretty sure you guys saw that I did a video review on this and I finally finished using it. I literally did not think that it would take me so long to actually finish like this body butter right here. Definitely really like the packaging, and it still smells like pumpkin in here, especially when you open it. Like, I really do enjoy using it, but sometimes, you know, it does get a little bit oily in the beginning, but afterwards, like, it makes your skin so moisturized, so hydrated. Like, I definitely will be purchasing other scents. Okay, finally, last but not least, we have two products. This is from Sol de Janeiro, and I absolutely love their products. Like, ever since they came out with the Bum Bum cream, I have been obsessed. So this is the small one that I have right here, and for those of you guys who have not tried it, I highly recommend giving it a try. This is probably one of the best by far lotion you will apply onto your body. Yes, I know it's expensive, it's very high-end, very luxury, but it just, once you try this and then you try other lotions from like other high-end brands, you're just like, what? It can't compare to this. Like, this is so cute and adorable. Okay, so this one is also from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Baja Flor Elastic Cream, and I really also do like this, especially the scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, very florally, very sweet. That's like my type of favorite scent. Okay, so for this right here, when you first apply it to like your skin, like, it does feel very oily, kind of a little bit heavy, but then afterwards when it sinks in, like, your skin is just, it's so smooth, it's so moisturizing. So especially comparing like these two together, I really do both like them, but if I really had to like go down and choose one, I definitely would say the original OG Bum Bum cream is the way to go. So if you're thinking about giving this a try, I highly recommend waiting until it's on sales, like especially at like Sephora, where they do like either like a holiday set or like a limited edition set, or during the holiday season when they have like a discount for like members, like either like 10%, 15%, or 20% depending on your status of membership. So that's, I feel like that's like when like the best time to like try out products and like literally get like stock up on products. So that's actually all the products I have for this Empties. So feel free to let me know what empty products you guys have finished. All right, so yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.